Buying your first coffee machine at home is really exciting. That's until your coffee tastes bitter or sour or just not like the coffee shop that you expect. And it didn't all work out exactly the same as you expected. Well, if that's the case, then you are in the right place. My name's Richard and I've been working on commercial coffee machines for 9 years in a commercial setting, making coffee. And I have been making coffee at home for around about the same amount of time. So I expected making coffee at home to be just as easy as it was making it at work. In actual fact, it wasn't, and it was so frustrating. Honestly, I nearly threw the whole machine out the window, but I didn't. I persevered. Once I slowed down and I understood the process, and I worked out my grinder and I worked out my coffee machine, I was onto a winner. But I needed to slow down first. And that's why I created Home Barista Fix. It's not for any other reason than I wanted to help people at home who just bought themselves a coffee machine and maybe spent £500–600, maybe more. And maybe they bought some extras like this Sage Smart Grinder Pro and really need a bit of help to make their coffee taste great. So if that's you, you are in the right place. So what will you get? If you subscribe to the channel now, what will you get? And what you'll get is learning how to adjust your grinder, how to run your double espresso, how to maintain your machine, how to steam milk, and how to create those amazing drinks that we all know and love in our local coffee shop. We're talking flat white, we're talking cafe latte, we're talking Americano, we're talking cappuccino, all those lovely drinks, and maybe just a beautiful double espresso and a glass of sparkling water to go with it. All these beautiful drinks, I'm going to show you how to make them right now. Right now? No, not right now. I'm not going to show you right now. This is a channel trailer. All those beautiful drinks I'm going to show you over the course of the videos. If you're a beginner and you're here because you're a beginner, then dive straight in to my beginner's guide. It starts off right at the basics, from how to create your first double espresso to how to adjust your grinder for that 1:1, 1:2 ratio, or how it tastes bitter, how to change it so that it's back to where it should be. It tastes sour, how to change it to back where it should be. We're running straight from there into milk steaming and creation of drinks. So yeah, you're in the right place. One thing I'd like every home barista to remember, and it's something that I really try to reinforce with every single new barista that came my way when I was working, and that was, don't be afraid to make the mistake. Be afraid not to try. And that's really, really important. That there are no mistakes here. There is only learning. And as we go through this process, there are gonna be mistakes. There's gonna be coffee in the bin. There's gonna be coffees that you're gonna taste for maybe quite some time after you've made it. But the opportunity is there to learn, to adjust, and to try again. So if you join this journey, join it with me because you want to have an open mind, because you want to be not afraid of making a change. You want to be not afraid to challenge yourself. You want to learn about making great coffee at home. This whole channel is not about teaching. It's not about telling you this is the only way. It's about helping you to discover that path for yourself, to make great coffee for yourself. There is no perfect espresso. There is only taste. And taste is about what you feel inside and those moments that you take with coffee. Somebody asked me once, what is coffee for you? And coffee for me, yeah, it's technical, it's thought about, it's making changes through your grinder, it's doing the things that I enjoy. Setting up my grinder, creating my perfect coffee is what I enjoy. But coffee is not about that for me. My love for coffee comes from many things. Yes, technical being one, connection being another. Those moments in time where you make yourself a coffee and you sit down in the quiet, reflective time first thing in the morning before anybody else gets up, where I can sort out in my head what I need to do for that day. That's what I enjoy about coffee. Those moments where I share a coffee with another person, that are the moments that I enjoy about coffee. They're the moments that are important. Moments in time and technical, they're the most important. If you love coffee, subscribe, join the channel, join the community here,